I get excited about this business every day because every day we come to work to help people. CRDN is a company that specializes in restoration services for homeowners and business owners that have experienced a fire, a flood, any sort of damage to their home or their business in the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom. Electronics is a huge category. Everything in your home is connected these days. It's the biggest category inside of a house in terms of information. If it doesn't work, life seems to stop sometimes. People work from home, kids go to school from home, everything's happening on electronics, and it all helps you run your day-to-day life. It's a big part of what people rely on every day. So it's a core competency that we have here at CRDN. The testing card is a really big part of our process. It's a great tool. We go into a home, we use it to test the electronics and make sure they're working. Then we restore it. If something's not working, it goes into a non-salvageable list. If it is working, we clean it, we restore it, and then we test it again to make sure before you get it back, it's working again. So it really creates transparency, and it creates peace of mind that we know and you know that things are going back to you that work, and we were able to get them to a pre-loss condition when we return them to the homeowner. CRDN focuses on process. We're all about systems, process, procedure. All those things are extremely important when you're trying to put things back together. So technology is playing a bigger and bigger role every day in the claim process. Our goal with technology is really ease of use. We want our partners to have the best, most cutting-edge tools in the field and in their plants that facilitate a smooth claim process for the homeowners and for our partners. We're going to respond, we're going to restore, and we're going to help them resume their lives.